Okay, it's Thanksgiving break weekend and we're having a movie night tonight and we're going to Horrocks. We've shared with you one haul. This is our second time going as a family. Everyone can pick a salty, pick a sweet, and we're not sure if we're going to do drinks, but we're going to go into Horrocks, see it Christmas-sized, and you can see what goodies we pick. We're excited to shop, right guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go. I'm very tempted by this. Milk chocolate, roasted peanuts, and fluffy marshmallows. $9. I love marshmallow. Mila, smog balls, crunchy sour candies. If you can think it, it's probably here. To include taffy. Seeds, nuts, chocolate covered everything. A favorite from last time, all of these different popcorns. Elsie and I both thought of these mini Reese's Pieces. Okay, Elsie, are you considering getting those?
Yes.
Me too. Okay, they put all the popcorn samples and wrap them like presents. Kel's sampling. What'd you sample, buddy? Do you even know?
Cheddar.
Lightly salted. No, that's chicken and ranch.
No.
This one is chicken and ranch.
Oh, what's this?
Lightly salted.
Okay.
That looks yummy too. Cookie and cream bark. And these little mint cookie bites. So many yummy things. Elsie's trying the Cool Ranch popcorn. That sounds actually pretty good to me too. Should we get the same of everything?
Yeah.
Mila's all about it too. Let's see. Yeah. This sounds a bit Christmassy. Sugar cookie popcorn. Please don't take the sample jars. I wonder why they had to write that.
Where did you see that? Oh.
Okay, how's sugar cookie? All right.
Yeah.
Honestly, if this weren't so expensive for such a small container, I'd consider the okra chips to try those. I love okra, and that sounds pretty good to me. They have green beans, dried vegetables, lots of fun things. Dried figs. We've hit the Christmas jackpot. There's truffles here. Ribbon candy. This makes me think of like growing up. My grandparents would have this on their coffee table at Christmas time. Love it. Super gummy bear.
What is this?
Ribbon candy, just a hard candy. Different truffles, caramel minis. Aldi has better prices on similar items. Oh, more ribbon candy, thin peppermint. You're gonna get those truffles? Let's consider it. They have all these specialty gourmet chocolates over here too. Graham crackers with sprinkles. Birthday cake fudge, lots of things, and it's $14 a pound. Wow.
That or
Oh, I think
I would get that.
that looks like something you
We
would
have a lot
like.
of
That
chocolate.
lasts you a long time. Kel's found his two options. You're considering, right?
Yeah.
You like those. I wonder if they're just like the other ones, except for in a container, not a bag. These also look pretty fun. They're $5.99 a piece. Lots of different cookie dough bites. Twix, Snickers, birthday cake, M&Ms. My husband makes peanut brittle every Christmas and I love it, but yum, that is tempting to me too. 100% a flavor of Christmas. Chocolate orange heaven. I think we're gonna get these for hot chocolate, not anyone's pick, but just for the winter. Chocolate bars. Okay, they have so many of these fun Christmassy mixes, but these are the ones I had to show you guys. Look how cute. They look like the Little Debbie cakes. Corn chips, $3.99. These sound kind of good to me. The habanero chili, that's on my mind. The cheese, salt, barbecue. Okay, we found the Detroit Better Made jalapeno cheddar puffs. Oops. Oh, this looks so good. So Great Lakes Potato Chip Company, Michigan Cherry Barbecue, $3.99. That's tempting too. Okay, everyone can pick a single small beverage now. We're not going hog wild like last time. But we're having fun. Mila's trying to negotiate her way up. I need to come here without kids because there's so much to explore And it's just so hard when we have people looking at everything everywhere. Lots of fun, lots of Christmas items out though. Okay, so the girls have their choices. Mila has assorted sour balls. We had the funniest thing happen. She's gonna get cherry, and we came down the aisle, and the lady in front of us took the very last one. So she's gonna try the assorted. She has chili lime corn. I almost got that. And then she got Mexican cola. Good picks, Mila. Elsie got jalapeno cheddar from Better Made, the cheese puffs, the mini Reese's Pieces, and then apple soda. The Great Lakes Michigan cherry barbecue potato chips, and then I'm getting these chocolate Charlie candies with the marshmallow chocolate and peanuts. And I'm skipping on getting a drink, just nothing looked good to me, but I got these for our family, for family hot chocolates this winter. Kel has his apple pop, the juicy fruits, and cheddar popcorn. Good picks, bud. Okay, so then finally we have Dad's selection: chocolate wafers, chili lime tortilla chips, and a mandarin Horrocks. Let's go see the damage, guys. Okay, we're having a little bit of a drink switch up because there's choices up front that there weren't here. I'm gonna get this mango chainsaw liquid death sparkling water. Okay, so Kel changed to a lemonade, and Elsie got an old time blue pop instead of the previous drinks. Last minute switch. Okay, Mila's grabbing a chocolate rose for her boyfriend. Okay, our total was $77.73. That was a lot better than last time. We got some good snacks. It was a lot of fun to see Christmas. And now we're gonna go home, watch a Christmas movie, and snack. That was a lot of fun, and if you missed our first Horrocks haul, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.